In this video, I'll show you how to add money from an Apple gift card and how it actually works with Apple Pay, step by step. Important note: Apple gift cards can't be converted into cash, but you can use the balance for Apple purchases. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Inside Wallet, tap on your Apple account card to access your account options. Tap the More button, the three dots, and then select Redeem. Now choose Use Camera to scan the code on the back of your Apple gift card, or tap Enter Code manually to type it in. Once redeemed, the money is added to your Apple account balance. This balance is automatically used for the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and for purchases at the Apple Store, including online at apple.com, sometimes using Apple Pay. You can't transfer this balance to your bank account or load it as cash into Apple Pay. Availability may vary depending on your country or region. And that's how Apple gift cards work with Apple Pay. Thanks for watching.